Hello students, you have already studied about what is a clause. Now we are going to study the types of clauses. The first type is the adverb clause. Now look at the sentences which are given here. The children got together after their school had got over. Now see, after their school had got over is underlined. This particular part of this sentence tells us something more about the action. What is the action? Getting together, right? So the word which tells you something more about the action, that is the verb, that particular word is known as adverb. Now here this particular clause is actually telling us more about the action. So this particular clause is known as adverb clause. So what is an adverb clause? The clause which contains subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adverb is an adverb clause. Okay, let's see some more examples. She will be staying with me though she can afford a good hotel. Right? Now she will be staying with me. Action is will be staying. Now this action, what word is telling us more about this action? Though she can afford a good hotel, right? So though she can afford a good hotel, you will be underlining this part. This is the adverb clause. See the next sentence. They can win the match if they work hard. What is the action? They can win the match. Now how can they win the match? If they work hard. So the action is added by if they work hard, right? So the group of words that is actually telling about the action is adverb. So this clause, if they work hard, is the adverb clause. Her parents disapprove of parties if they are held late at night. So which parties are disapproved? Which are held late at night, right? So adverb clause in this sentence is if they are held late at night. Now see the next sentence. Pratinav ran fast so that he could reach the school in time for the class. So the action is ran fast. Why? He could reach the school in time for the class. So what is the adverb clause here? Good. The adverb clause will be he could reach the school in time for the class. Next one, we must preserve trees before it is too late. The action is we must preserve trees. Preserve trees, right? The adverb clause is good. Before it is too late. That is the adverb clause, right? Now in worksheet number 7, what you have to do is you have to match column A with column C and you have to use the words from column B to connect them and make a meaningful sentence. So column A is having one part of the sentence, column C is having the other part of the sentence. You have to match these, but while you are matching these sentences, you have to use the conjunction which is given in column B, right? So one has been already done for you. We met several years ago while I was studying in the UK. Let's see the second sentence. I am learning music because I want to become a singer. Third one, we must return home before it starts raining. Next one, I will buy you this book if you need it. She gave a loud scream when she saw the snake. He was warmly received wherever he went. Please don't go till I return. I will complete the work although I am getting late. He left early so that he could catch the last train. So this is for worksheet number 7. Now let us move to worksheet number 8. Now see, in worksheet number 8, what do you think should be done with regard to the following environmental problems? Take help from the clues given below. Write one sentence about each. One has been done for you. Now see, in the picture you can see it's the picture of the famous monument. This is one of the 7 wonders. What is this monument? Taj Mahal. Very good. So along with Taj Mahal, you can see in the bubbles some problems are written. Afforestation, right? Certain things, certain phrases are there. Relocate industries on the outskirts of cities. Stop acid rain. Ban the use of sprays. Stop hunting animals. These are some of the solutions how to solve the problem of environment or whatever environmental problems are there, how to solve them, right? So what are the questions given here? The questions are, when will soil erosion stop? The possible answer you can find from these solutions which are given on the Taj Mahal. How can the Taj Mahal be saved? How can the problem of industrial pollution be solved? Will skin cancer due to the hole in the ozone layer find an end? How can wildlife be saved? Now see, for the first one, when will soil erosion stop? For this question, the answer is, I think soil erosion will stop when we take up a drive for afforestation. That means when we start planting more and more trees. Afforestation means planting more and more trees. Now let us see the second question. How can the Taj Mahal be saved? So what will you write? I think Taj Mahal, when you will be writing Taj Mahal, write T capital, Mahal's M capital. Taj Mahal can be saved by stopping acid rain, because one side of the Taj Mahal is becoming black due to acid rain. Then the next question, how can the problem of industrial pollution be solved? The problem can be solved by relocating industries on the outskirts of cities. Outskirts means the bordering areas of cities. Next question, will skin cancer due to the hole in the ozone layer find an end? The problem will come to an end if we ban the use of sprays. The sprays which we use, these sprays, they contain certain things that creates ozone layer. How can wildlife be saved? Wildlife can be saved if we stop hunting animals. So this is all about adverb clause. So till here it was adverb clause. I hope you all have understood what is an adverb clause.